So guys, let me share with you how I made this fluffy pancake with a crispy edge using thickened cream. So all you need is knowing the right ingredients with measurements and you have a fluffy pancake. I'll put the measurement on the screen for you. So here in a bowl, I used all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda. Mix very well and then set aside. Now for the wet ingredients. So I'll be using whole milk. This is thickened cream, melted butter, vanilla extract, and eggs. Mix this very well until well combined. Make sure your wet ingredients are in room temperature. Once you are done mixing, combine your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Gently fold them in. Do not overmix. The tip for this recipe is not to overmix your pancake batter. Mix gently and then cover. Allow it to rest between 7 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes guys, heat up your pan and then go in to grease your pan with butter. I prefer using butter for my pancake. You can use oil if you like. And then you scoop in your pancake batter. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes without flipping it. Two minutes after guys, I will be flipping this over and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. After that guys, your pancake is ready, and then you repeat the same process until you run out of your pancake batter. So guys, this recipe is very quick and it came out very fluffy, delicious. It has this crispy edges, like it's so delicious guys. Try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. I will see you again in my next video guys. I had mine with strawberry and banana. It's so delicious. You can go on to add maple syrup and butter. This is optional. Thank you guys, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys. Please don't forget to like my video. Thank you and bye.